Hey everyone, welcome back to Pixeliota Studio. Today I'm showing you how to generate demo barcode lines inside any shape in Adobe Illustrator instantly. Let's get into it. Draw one or more shapes, rectangles, custom vectors, anything. Fill each shape with a different color. Select them all. Run the demo barcode script. And done. Barcode lines are placed inside every shape automatically, using each shape's own color. Clean, fast, no manual work. Want to launch demo barcode even faster? Get Endless Scripts, our Illustrator extension that puts all your scripts in one place with a customized icon. One click to run your favorite script. Demo barcode is completely free. Grab it from the link in the description. If you find it useful, drop a star rating on Gumroad. It really helps. Like and subscribe for more tools like this. I'll see you in the next one.